Hello, I'm Smita Kumar and you're watching Medicircle. Today on our healthcare startup series, we have Dr. Soumyakant with us. He's the co-founder of MedTel Healthcare based out of Bangalore, and it helps hospitals, clinics and doctors to remotely monitor patients with COVID-19, diabetes, hypertension and obesity in real times. MedTel is also strengthening and the connected care and remote patients monitoring interoperability of IOMT ecosystem and changing the patient's healthcare experiences through engagement, insights, and predictions. Hello, Dr. Soumyakant. Welcome to Medicircle.
Good evening. It's a pleasure to join you, Smita, and talk about what we're doing and discuss your, lot of things that we think Indian healthcare and health tech in general is going around about this on board.
Sure. So as the co-founder of MedTel Healthcare, tell us more about your healthcare startup, when you started, and what was the reason behind it?
So, MedTel Healthcare is primarily into population screening in a smart way and remote patient monitoring. So what we do is that we have made a super app which is connected to a lot of IoT-based diagnostic devices, which not only tests all these parameters in a small amount of time, but also it provides analytics, health scores, and completes the loop as far as telediagnostic and remote patient monitoring is done. Basically, we started this company because coming from a medical and management, a medical background, we wanted to do something in health tech, and therefore we took as a team various degrees in management, public health, and wanted to make a change at the grassroots level in sort of telediagnostics, remote patient monitoring, and this was our journey. When we started MedTel, we failed quite at times, but then gradually we built a product that is, is helpful for hospital, polyclinics, insurance companies, pharma companies, and also a lot of government projects in smart population screening and remote patient monitoring, I can say.
Sure. So as you might be knowing that this remote Indian patient monitoring system is fact,
right.
It is actually valued at $1,369.56 million, and it is projected to register a CAGR of 9.39% over the forecast period. So we see a lot of the startups also like Rosie and Bioformis who are also offering remote patient monitoring. So what are the key differentiators of MedTel Healthcare?
Right. So if you see the point of differentiation, we are an open platform, right? Our platform is connected to a lot of IoT devices, around 50 plus, and in the due course, we are connecting it to a lot of smart sensors, patches, IoT clinical grade devices and gadgets, and it's an open platform. All our devices that are connected to platform are clinical grade. That means they're either US FDA or European CE or Indian CDSCO certified. I would say more on the clinical side. Third, it's not only a platform, but it has analytics, digital therapeutics, and health scores predictability on it. And our platform works in a no internet zone also. So these are some of the key points, but we can say that, smart population analytics, all sort of dashboards, decision-taking intervention protocols, all of these are provided. And what we are building is that we are building a very sophisticated yet a la carte model where the client and consumer, according to the need, can take a white labeled, customized a la carte solution from us. So that level of customization is also available at MedTel Healthcare.
So tell us how many lives you have touched so far?
If you see, we have already covered around 2.5 lakh people, and which may by this financial year end would be around 4 lakhs. So that's a good speed, and we will see our inflection point this year where we will go, to make a difference in lives of a lot of people.
So especially during COVID, there was a lot of requirements for the remote monitoring because most of the time we were not able to move out. And also there were so many elderly people who were locked inside the homes and they definitely need care and support. So at those testing times, I think even MedTel Healthcare has enabled the remote monitoring and helped so many people. So what was your experience and how did you contribute it as a healthcare startup during the testing times?
So in COVID, we tied up with few hospitals to start with to monitor patients from their home, basically remote patient monitoring of COVID patients, and have an alarm system or nudging system when the patient needs to go to the hospital. And we did pretty well, at least in cities like Mumbai, Bangalore, where a lot of hospitals tied up for monitoring patients at home. And we have clear-cut protocols in which the patient needs an approval, the patient needs a oxygen cylinder, monitoring saturation on a continuous manner. So yeah, we could. I clearly remember we could save really some valuable lives and could make a difference. Post COVID, also, I mean, between the waves, we could screen a lot of people with post COVID symptoms, and it was very crucial for us, to screen a lot of patients with morbidities, because these people are more susceptible to have COVID infections and the after effects of the COVID virus. So yes, that's how we made a difference. But now our solution is far more evolved. I would say it has come a long way and is quite advanced and is used by 50 plus B2B clients all over India. In fact, we are present in 5 countries now.
That's good to know. And also tell us more about your products like MedTel iLab and iRPM.
So MedTel iLab is our B2B product. It is used for population screening. You can have 60 plus parameters in 10 minutes. Whereas MedTel iRPM is our B2B2C product where home monitoring, personalized screening for diabetes, hypertension, and pregnancy happens. One is a B2B population screening, that is iLab. iRPM is our home monitoring solution. And both, I would say, are doing well, especially in India and neighboring countries.
Tell us more about, in your opinion, what infra does India needs to adopt the remote patient monitoring systems?
What change we have seen post-COVID is that there has been a strong push from, the regulatory side, also from the side of various government bodies. As a country, India, India needs multiple health support and health partners to cover such a population and such diversity that we have. Thankfully, we have a regulatory push for better digital health infrastructure. The government is coming up with a lot of protocols, guidelines, which actually helps us. We are seeing a lot of talent in India who are working in digital health tech, and the entire ecosystem is growing. We would need a lot of hand-holding or ecosystem by the government, which would support digital health companies or startups like us to get into projects where healthcare businesses grow and it makes a difference in the population, as well as questions like data privacy, as well as questions like safety. All those are addressed. Obviously, India would need a lot of these talented people, and investments from a lot of these investment companies, fund houses would be required to make a difference. Another thing I see is that a lot of health workers, trained health workers, would be needed. So it's a scenario where a lot of people can be trained for a lot of healthcare and health tech projects, and it also solves the problems of unemployment. Uh, I would say that's the synopsis. But overall, the willpower and the purpose to make a difference using technology should be there and should be propagated among leaders of tomorrow.
Surely. So, and how has MedTel Digital Therapeutics helped timely and better management of chronic diseases of its patients?
So this digital therapeutics and analytics is the layer above our core product. Now we are getting into home monitoring through our RPM. So this digital therapeutics with all your health data and personalized health data will tell you how to manage your health and your improve on your parameters. Suppose you get a health score from your data of diabetes, hypertension, body weight, obesity parameters. Your digital therapeutic solution will tell you how this data can give you inferences to manage your daily life. It can tell you what sort of exercise you should do, what should be your diet, what should be your lifestyle changes. It will say suggest how you will improve with medicines. So all those nitty-gritty personalized medicine through nudges, through alarms, through education will make a difference. So it would be like your software or a software platform will make a change in your daily lifestyle habits, which in end gives you a better health, and you need not have a better health at one go. It maintains your health status in a good way for a long. So it's habit changing through technology.
Sure. And what do you think about Medicircle as a healthcare media platform? Because there are so many healthcare startups who want to promote and make their products and services available to so many people out there. Because first of all, we are raising awareness among the healthcare people, healthcare conscious people who want to know what are the new apps, what are the new products, what are the new services that are available, and we are propagating that growth as a dedicated media platform, talking to entrepreneurs like you.
Oh, I think you people are doing a wonderful job, and Smita, kudos to you for leading it. Uh, the aggregating of knowledge, people who are working on it, all the stakeholders who can make a change is going to go strong, and people like you and your organization will make a change. I would wish you all the best, and I would say keep it doing at a larger scale, maybe a high-end newsletter to all the patrons. I would also suggest bringing all together of same minds in specific domains of healthcare, having discussions, and it's our duty to encourage the generation of tomorrow through your organization to make the change. And all the best. I would suggest that keep up the good work, and together we will make a difference.
Thank you. Thank you so much for joining us, Dr. Soumyakant, and we wish you and MedTel all the best for its future.
Thanks a lot. It was a nice interaction, and we will keep on interacting to make our world more healthier.
Same. Thank you so much.
Thank you.